In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, edit, and reorder statuses in ClickUp. Statuses are the backbone of how work moves through your workflows in ClickUp. They help you see, at a glance, where every task stands and what needs attention next. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to set them up, customize them, and keep them organized so your workspace stays clear and efficient. First, let's talk about where to manage your statuses. Start by navigating to the specific space, folder, or list where you want to update them. This matters because statuses can be different depending on the level you're working at. For example, one space might use a simple to-do and progress done flow, while another uses a more detailed sequence. So make sure you're in the right location before you begin. Once you're there, look for the ellipsis icon, the three little dots next to the name of your space, folder, or list. You can either click that icon or simply right-click the location's name. This opens up a menu with various options for configuring that part of your workspace. From that menu, choose the option for task or list statuses. Depending on your version, this might be labeled as task statuses, list statuses, or edit statuses. They all lead you into the same status editor, which is where the real customization happens. Inside the status modal, you'll see your current workflow laid out. To add a new status, look for the Add Status button. It's often displayed under the Done group by default, but don't worry, you can move it later. Click that button and a new status field will appear. Now, give your new status a clear, descriptive name that matches how your team actually works. Then, use the color picker to assign it a color. Color coding helps you visually scan your tasks and immediately understand their state. For example, you might use green for done, yellow for in progress, and red for blocked. You can also edit existing statuses right from this modal. Click directly on a status name to rename it, or click its ellipsis icon to change its color or delete it entirely. This is helpful when your process evolves and you need your statuses to match. To reorder your statuses, use the drag handles to the left of each status name. Click, hold, and drag a status up or down to place it in the order that best reflects your workflow. When everything looks right, make sure you click Apply Changes or Save to confirm your updates so they take effect across your tasks.